Hey guys, welcome back to the Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on MacBooks or iMacs or any Apple device easily without downloading any apps or visiting any website, which I'm doing it right now. As you guys can see from this button right here, it shows that I'm screen recording. So yeah, you get to do like that in this video. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, what you have to do is go to Spotlight search, Command plus spacebar, and then search for QuickTime Player, enter, and then click on Files right here, and then from here there are three options which are New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, New Screen Recording. This is not able because I'm screen recording it, so they won't let me do screen record twice. I'll show you guys how to do what are these things. New movie recording means it shows your face in here from the camera on your MacBook. When I click on it, it will show my face, so I won't click on it. And then the next one is new audio record, which I'll show you now. The audio record is they won't show you the screen but only the audio. So now I'll show you what audio recording is. And also guys, from here we can choose the type of microphone. As I'm using my Beats, I click on external microphones as it's an external microphone. And from here SoundCloud, those both are for screen recording. And then for QuickTime Player input, I recommend using external microphones because the voice is clean in that. So now I'll show you guys how to audio record. To start recording, click on right here and then speak to it. So I'm going to show you guys how to. Hey guys, welcome back to the Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on MacBooks. So guys, now I stopped it and now I can play it and then speak to it. So I'm going to show you guys how to. Hey guys, welcome back to the Triple T, and as you guys saw or heard is the audio recording that I just did. And then guys, if you don't like it or it's bit cracky, to close it or delete it, click on right here, close, and then delete. So guys, as I told you before, from here we can do a new movie recording, which means it shows your face right here, and then and also guys, like in audio recording, in screen recording too, it will show you, instead of audio recording it will show screen recording. And then to start screen recording, click on right here, then we start screen recording. As I can't show it to you guys because I'm already screen recording, so I can't screen record twice. That's the thing. So I guess this video helped you a lot in screen recording on Mac. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what should be my next video. And guys, please subscribe, I need them.